in this video I'll show you what to do in case your keyboard is not working with your PS5. So let's get started. Take your PS5 controller and we need to go into the settings. Then from here you need to go and select System. Then once you're in System, we need to go down and select Remote Play. Make sure Enable Remote Play is turned on. Put it on for every profile you have on your PS5. Now you can exit this menu. Okay. And if you're in a game or let's say you are on the main screen here, press the PS button once. Whoops. Okay, once you press the PS button, you should get this menu down below. Go ahead, navigate until you are over the accessories tab. Click on it. And from here, you should see your keyboard. If your keyboard is not there, maybe make sure the battery is good and make sure also it's turned on. Mine was turned off, so that's why you were not able to see it, but here we go, it appeared. So once you see your keyboard, go ahead and select it. And over here, select also keyboard settings. And here you have a few options you can change that you may not have known, especially the language, okay? And if you're not speaking English, if you prefer having other type of keyboard, maybe yours have different accent that the normal English keyboard does not have, you can get them by doing this. And you have other options you can check over there. So yeah, if it's not working, just do that and it should be good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.